How to set live wallpaper in your computer. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Computer Tutorial Video. In this video I am going to show how to set live wallpaper in your computer, and if this video helps you, please share, like and subscribe. Open Google Chrome. Search Lively Wallpaper. Click the first link, Rockstainster. Scroll down to the bottom. Click Installer. After download, close the window. Open this PC. Go to Downloads. Install the Lively Wallpaper setup. Click Install for me only. Choose File Installing Location. After installation, the app will be automatically open. You don't like the inbuilt wallpapers, you can add other outside downloaded live wallpapers. If you can add other wallpapers, click the Add Wallpaper on your top right side. Click the Open button on your right side. Choose your wallpaper and click Open on your right bottom. Click the three dot on your added wallpaper and click the OK button. Now the wallpaper are added your background and close the window. I hope if this video is likes you. If you can get more tech information video, visit my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.